Poland, Turkey, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Baku, Azerbaijan. This is the second appearance of the Thunder demo team in Bahrain International Airshow. Today, the aircraft is being flown by one of the veteran aerobatic pilots of Pakistan Air Force, Squadron Leader Haris, with the call sign Thunder 1. Gentlemen, if you look towards your left, JF-17 aircraft is about to take off and afterwards would maintain 50 feet above ground feet level to commence its initial profile. As you can see, the Thunder 1 is all powered up, ready to roll. Here it begins the roll. For the second time, the skies of Bahrain, the JF-17 Thunder. The after takeoff, the aircraft has leveled off and is running from your left to right to initiate its sequence. Gentlemen, gaze upon the wonder, the JF-17 Thunder. The aircraft is now performing an adjustment turn, and after that, it will achieve a high G turn maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is now aligning itself for a high G turn. Coming in from your right side, JF-17 aircraft aligning itself for the first maneuver of the day. You can see how the display pilot, Squadron Leader Haris, call sign Thunder 1, using all his professional skills and acumen, is turning the aircraft to 60 degrees while maintaining constant height and enduring high Gs, testament of the high training of this professional aircraft. At the culmination of the high G turn, Squadron Leader Haris is now adjusting himself for a half cubanate. You can now see the aircraft is rising up in the air, pulling more than 7.5 Gs. Ladies and gentlemen, you can look at the spectacle of JF-17 Thunder rising up in Bahrain's blue sky. After the cubanate, Thunder 1 is adjusting himself for the next maneuver, which is a 4-point roll. Ladies and gentlemen, JF-17 aircraft has a maximum speed of Mach 1.6 with a high thrust-to-weight ratio. Thunder is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, which enables it to carry out all weather operations under various environments. Here comes the 4-point roll. Visual from your right to left, crossing towards the left of the runway. After the 4-point roll, Thunder 1 is adjusting himself for the subsequent maneuver, which is the Thunder Skid. Ladies and gentlemen, if you gaze towards your left, you will see the JF-17 Thunder running and initiating the skid maneuver, awing with its thunder's roar. Again, Skonder Harris is setting himself for another maneuver which will enthrall the audience with his double admiral roll followed by a Cuban 8. Gentlemen, the aircraft appearing on your right is setting himself for a daring double aileron roll, showcasing the agility of the Thunder. After rolling out, Skonder Harris pull up for a Cuban 8. Pakistan's pride, the JF-17 Thunder. Currently, the aircraft is pulling up for a half Cuban 8 and will transition towards a barrel roll towards the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the barrel roll asks for a coordination of all three axes to pitch, yaw, and roll at the same time to become inverted and still control the maneuver. The barrel roll would be culminated and transitioned into an ever daunting high alpha pass. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have witnessed till now is just a glimpse of the Thunder's true potential. The JF-17 is not only at par with all the other 4th gen fighters aircraft in the world, but offers an affordable cost and provides a viable solution for replacement of aging fighter fleets across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, with the JF-17 aircraft is capable of exceeding the speed of sound and ultra-low level flying, it's also equally capable of flying at slow speeds. Now the aircraft is performing high alpha pass, and after which it will demonstrate its muscle climb. Ladies and gentlemen, hearing the Thunder climbing into the blue yonder of brute muscle force. Ladies and gentlemen, now the aircraft is adjusting for the final maneuver of its display today, which includes the vertical rolls. JF-17 would now be establishing for this final maneuver of the day. The JF-17 is now advancing towards the venue with its roaring thunder. Ladies and gentlemen, gaze upon the beauty, the elegance, Pakistan's pride, JF-17 Thunder, pulling up, rolling, and disappearing into the blue skies and paying tribute to the people of Bahrain and all the audiences. Ladies and gentlemen, it is worth mentioning here that the latest and most lethal of the JF-17s, the Block 3, has joined the Bahrain International Air Show for its first appearance. The aircraft is on static display and belongs to number 8 multi-role squadron of Pakistan Air Force, being commanded by Wing Commander Umair. It is a true 4.5 gen fighter armed with the latest weaponry and equipped with cutting-edge avionics. Its AESA radar, onboard electronic warfare suite and multi-spectrum offensive and defensive capabilities make it a formidable war machine. Please make sure to visit the aircraft and take a glimpse of the symbol of self-reliance, perseverance and pride of Pakistan, JF-17 Thunder Block 3. Do make sure to visit display. Pakistan and Pakistan Air Force will be looking forward to host you. I thank you all.
نشكر الزميل من القوات الجوية الباكستانية الرائد طيار جواد.
Thank you very much to that team. That's fantastic. I do love the final vertical penetration, firing off the pyrotechnics, the defense measures as they climb up across the kingdom here in the blue skies. Absolutely fantastic. So what we've got next? Well, we've got from the Indian Air Force, the Sharang helicopter display team to bring us to the end of the daylight show. And the Global Stars will be doing a different type of display at 10 to 5. That'll be in twilight, and that is where they will be using their pyrotechnics, of which they're loading them onto the aircraft now. Pyrotechnics and lights into the evening twilight. So a few more items to do. So Sharang, they're due on in about 7 minutes' time.